Today's project is our first major mod. We've been waiting to do this one a while. It's popular with owners of the G, our specific van. From our year 2021 and back, they came with this faucet. I'll show you in a minute. It's the least functional part of the van. So today we're going to fix that. Here in our wet bath, our shower is diverted off of the bathroom sink faucet, and that can get a little hinky sometimes. When we want to take a shower, we have to run hot water, which wastes some time waiting for the water to heat up, and then use this rather cheap diverter to get water going to the shower head. With our new faucet, we'll be able to thermostatically set that and just turn the water on and it'll get warm. To get started, I have to remove our toilet paper holders, scrape off all the old caulk, and get at the faucet from below. Okay, these actually don't look like they're hard to get to. It shouldn't be a big deal. So here's our new faucet with a much more substantial diverter valve. But before I pull the old one, I'm going to plug this one in and make sure it doesn't leak. All right, this is just a temperature control. Here's the water on off. It's working. Nice. Oh, and it's already hot. Wow. A lot better flow too. That's going to be cool. Ta-da. All right. So we're good to remove the old one. I got to clean up my mess. You must have a built-in drain where you're working with plumbing. Okay, out with the old and in with the, you see the problem there? The hard part about this project is that we have to enlarge one of the holes because this guy only uses one hole. We're going to cap the other one. And we do that with a step drill bit, 1 3/8. Looks like something a Bond villain invented.
To drill holes in your $130,000 van?
Exhilarating. I'm liking it so far. Everything fits. This is the little chrome plug that we're going to use to fill up the hole from the other faucet. These are our new water connections. When you open hard-to-reach places like this, it's good practice to inspect everything that you can, check bolts and connections, and look for signs of future problems. In this space, we made sure none of our water connections had been leaking. This is the interior side of the fitting for our black tank flush system, and its lines and backflow prevention device are in good shape. All right, I'll be right back.
Wait, you're making a third trip to Home Depot?
Well, you know how this goes. I've got a return to make, and I want to get the weather stripping stuff. I'll be right back. we've got these hatches cleaned up and ready to reinstall. I'm going to mount them, run a bead of caulk around them, and then replace the seal on the doors. Now that we've got our mod done, the only bad thing is we have to wait 24 hours to use the shower.
I love the new shower. I just finished getting cleaned up in here, and it just is a reminder every time I do it how glad I am that we did this mod. It's been a couple months now, so I feel like we've really settled into, you know, a good routine. It's really easy to use. I turn it on, it goes right to the correct temperature. I turn it off more now when I shower because I don't have to worry about the water coming back on the wrong temperature, so I save more water that way as well. This shut-off valve being 100% perfect, like it's either on or it's off. It's either the sink or the shower, and that's what you want. You don't want it accidentally squirting a little here, a little there. It's no good. But the new shower is just absolutely fabulous. I love it.
We've been using our new faucet for a few months now, and it's been a huge improvement. The diverter actually works, and I love the thermostatic control. I think I'd like to use them if we ever move back to sticks and bricks. This mod turns something that was a bit of a hassle every time we used it into another amazing thing that our home on wheels can do. I hope after watching this, if you have something in your van, your house, or your life that is less than functional, you decide to go ahead and fix it. It's amazing how much time can slip by while we decide whether or not to take action. So get to it. Get up in that search bar and learn from some people who have already tackled your project. I bet you'll be surprised how much change you can make in your life all on your own.